has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, Bandera County, southern Kirk County, south central Gillespie County, Kendall County, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Waltonia, or 10 miles southwest of Kerrville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Kerrville, Bernie, Comfort, Bandera, Fair Oaks Ranch, Ingram, Hunt, Walnut Grove, Camp Verde, Bandera Falls, Kerrville Shriner Park, Mico, Waltonia, Sisterdale, Croydsburg, Pipe Creek, Welfare, Nelson City, and Center Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local forecast. Rest of tonight, mostly cloudy before midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, shifting to the southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower